Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make oregano fenugreek ginger tea. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To begin with, let's go and pick some fresh oregano leaves. Just a bunch of 4 to 5 leaves should be good. Clean wash it and keep it ready. Heat a saucepan, into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add the oregano leaves. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, the oregano is nicely boiling. To this add half teaspoon of fenugreek. Let this boil for 2 minutes. Fenugreek reduces the risk of diabetics, improves weight loss, reduces inflammation, reduces the risk of heart disease and blood pressure, and relieves pain. Then to this add 1 piece of ginger. Let this boil for 2 minutes. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. This ginger contains gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties, can treat nausea and morning sickness, helps in weight loss and lowers your blood sugar levels. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this oregano fenugreek ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger, fenugreek and the oregano has come together very well. At this stage, off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. Then strain the oregano fenugreek ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy oregano fenugreek ginger tea in the morning for best results. This helps in weight loss and improves your digestion. So do try this oregano fenugreek ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.